We're asked to do the integral from 1 to 2 of x over 2, but dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2, so that's what I would leave that as, minus 2 over x, whatever works for you. Um, but I would do this because then when I'm looking at the antiderivative and I add 1 to the exponent, I'm looking at the exponents now to the second power and then multiply by the reciprocal. Well, half times half is 1/4. Now, looking at the next one, I just haven't memorized, and a lot of people know that when it's 1 over x, the antiderivative is natural log. But you could work it out if you tried your power rule and add 1 to the exponent, you'd be dividing by 0. So that's an issue. And we're doing our bounds from 1 to 2. Well, now we can plug in our upper bounds. 2 squared is 4, and 1/4 of 4 is 1, minus 2 natural log of 2. And then minus your lower bound, which is 1 plugged in for each of these. Well, 1 squared is 1, so we're looking at 1/4 minus 2 natural log of 1. And I expect my students to know that natural log of 1 is 0. So, 2 times 0 is just 0, so that's gone. And then from here, you just might want to reduce, like 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4 when you combine them, combining this term with this term. And just leave this alone and you're fine. There's nothing left to do. This is a perfect answer.